Good afternoon, room 23. Today we are going to talk about how to add and find equivalent fractions using fraction sticks. So here we go. Here are the fraction sticks. At the top we have one whole. Here we have 2 halves, 4 fourths, 8 eighths, and at the very bottom here we have 16 sixteenths. We're going to use these to find equivalencies as well as add some fractions. Here's a page out of your EDM journal. You can see that they have the same fraction sticks that I have here in orange. We've got a whole one more time at the top. Halves, fourths, eighths, and sixteenths. Now we're going to look at the equivalencies. So, the first thing we're going to do is look at number 1A. The first problem uses eighths and sixteenths, which you see below. We want to figure out how many sixteenths are equal to 1/8. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to take my fraction stick and I'm going to fold it so it's only showing 1/8. And then I'm going to match it up to my sixteenths fraction strip and see how many it is equal to. If I line this up, you can see that 1/8 is equal to 2 sixteenths. Next, we're going to look at eighths, sixteenths, and fourths. Here you see eighths and fourths. We know that we're going to be looking for an equivalent to 12 sixteenths. So I'm going to take my 12 sixteenths and I'm going to put it below my fourths and see how many fourths that equals. Look at that. 12 sixteenths equals 1, 2, 3 fourths, and 1, 2, 3, 4. Now we're going to look at 1E. We need to find equivalent fractions for 4 fourths. 1, 2, 3, 4. How many halves is equivalent to 4 fourths? How many eighths is equivalent to 4 fourths? And how many sixteenths are equivalent to 4 fourths? You need to write these answers down on a piece of paper, and that's what you're going to bring in tomorrow for your math homework. 2 strings of equivalent fractions. Another thing you can do with fraction sticks is to add fractions when they have the same denominator. So the example here shows adding eighths. So what I'm going to do is show you how to add eighths with this fraction stick. I'm going to start out with 1/8. Here I have 1/8. Then I need to add on 2 more eighths. 1, 2. And total, now I have 1, 2, 3 eighths, just like in the answer in the problem above. Next, we'll try a problem with fourths. Here we have a fourths fraction stick. You're going to have to add 2 fourths plus 1 fourth. So I'm going to find 2 fourths and fold my fraction stick in half. Now I have 2 fourths. I need to add 1 more fourth on. So I'm going to add 1 more of my fourths. Now I have 1, 2, 3 fourths. So my answer is going to be 3 fourths. I want you to think about how you would complete these next problems, B and C. 3 sixteenths plus 9 sixteenths, and 1 sixteenth plus 5 sixteenths plus 8 sixteenths. Here's a fraction stick to help you do it. Use this fraction stick to help you complete these problems. You need to write the answers to B and C in the comment section below to complete your homework tonight. See you tomorrow. Fair winds!